photogrammetric markers on the lower side of the couch. Like that we can check what the couch deflection is. So different patients, different weights, different points where they lie on the couch, and that always induces errors. So right now we know exactly how the couch is bent, and we can move to the CT with that error in mind. As you can see, I'm having a wireless pendant, which also has emergency stop and all of that stuff, so you can always be close to the patient while doing the treatment. You can pause at any time or resume the motions. At this point, we're doing the final check to see whether the tumor is still in the position where we want it to be. So we're doing another CT with Siemens CT on rails. And after we've done the imaging, the image is going to send to the treatment system, and they can give us the correction vector. So we now know where the tumor is in the couch coordinate system, and by having the camera as well, we can reduce all errors. So this is going to be a little bit of a manual scan, but I'm sure you get the idea. Yeah. So now that we know exactly where the tumor is, we can move back into the in front of the beam shaping assembly. As you have probably already seen, there is also room laser. So right now we are going to a reference position where we can actually check whether or not the lasers are aligned with where the patient should be treated. There's so much more going on. For example, the linear rail. So we have all the range of motion that we can go to the CT and back again. And there is those shielding walls that can move out, and actually the CT and the camera are going to be depowered before the beam is turned on, because nuclear beams are quite damaging for electrical equipment. So everything is turned off before actual treatment. So at this point the camera is turned on again, and corrections are being done to give the clinician the chance to check the final position of the patient. And after that, the patient is moved via camera control in front of the beam shaping assembly. As you can see, this is done quite close, and it's absolutely comparable to all the chair solutions, or even better. Also, this is touch-sensitive covers, and the nozzle also is touch-sensitive. So whenever you touch this, everything will stop, motions will be immediately halted. After the radiation, the robot moves back to the starting position, and we're basically done with the workflow. If there was to be, we could now go to a second portal, or even a third one. So you can either use the system from inside or from the control stations outside. This is only nice to have to be inside of the room, close to the patient at any time.